All right, guys, we've got the smanic 4K dash cam. I've still got the protector on the back. We're going to remove that in a second, and I'm going to show you how I install this on my dash. But this is going to be great for definitely Uber, Lyft drivers, taxis, that kind of stuff. But honestly, for anybody nowadays, you know, if you get in an accident, there's people that are trying to run insurance scams. If you have this out in your car, it's just recording at all times. All you do is you just install an SD card in here and you're good to go. Here's how it works. You plug this into your cigarette adapter, and then you even have two USB ports right there once it's plugged in. And then what this does is it just plugs in here on the device itself. So this is the device. It's super compact. And I love that it's 4K too. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to install it, and then I'm going to show you it installed on my car. All right, one more thing about the device itself before I install it. So first of all, this is the 3M strip that's going to stick to my windshield. But here's what's cool about it. Before you put it in your windshield and actually stick it on, this camera actually angles depending on the angle of your windshield. So I have an SUV, so it's a little more curved this way. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to angle this camera down more so that it's going to catch more of the road in front of me. So what we're going to do is put this on. I've got it angled down, so you got to figure that out based on your windshield, and I'm going to show you it installed. So there is a full shot of my windshield and the view out in front. And you can see, here's the device right here. It's totally out of the way, especially out of the way of me as a driver. But if I brighten the screen, you're able to see that that is actually already capturing everything that's out in front of me there. That's how it sets. Anytime you have you have it plugged into the cigarette adapter, you've got two USB ports. Every time your car turns on, this thing with your SD card is automatically up and running. And I would say for Uber drivers, Lyft drivers, but pretty much anybody nowadays, this is a 4K recorder. It's going to capture everything just like a dash cam on a police car. And what this is good for is we live in a litigious society. There's a lot of lawsuits that go on. There's a lot of people placing blame. Anything you can do that's going to actually prove that you didn't do something someone is accusing you of is probably not a bad idea. And I would say the value of this easily could benefit you in a matter of just a little bit of time. And hopefully it never has to benefit you, but it's there just in case, just like insurance. This is the last thing I wanted to show you. So the other thing you can do is on the box itself, you can click the QR code, scan it on your phone, and then there's an app to download. Open the app, and it's pulled up right on your screen, dude. You can pull that up from anywhere. It's recording, obviously, when you have your SD card in there, but you can also just monitor it literally on your phone. I think this is super useful. The tech aspect, I'm not even techie, and this was easy to do myself, so I highly recommend this.